One common question that will come up in the life of an LLC is, how do I amend or change my LLC members? Now, how complicated this is going to depend on your state law and your LLC agreement. If you've been tuning into the channel for a while, and if you haven't, I recommend you go check out some of our past videos. We've been talking about having a written LLC agreement and some of the many benefits that come from that. One of the many benefits that come from having a written LLC agreement is you will hopefully have a mechanism to enter and exit LLC members, or business partners as they're commonly called. Some way to buy them out, send them on their way, and potentially bring in new people as members or partners of the LLCs. Now, you need that mechanism in your agreement, but sometimes that isn't done, in which case now you have to go back and look at your state law for what the process is to eject a member or to get a new member in or out. In any event, there's going to be a path forward. So what you want to look at is both the LLC agreement and the state law, and you need to figure out what's necessary for that. At that point, you draft the documents that bring the old member in, or let the old member out and bring the new member in. And then also what you want to do is see if you need to make any updates. Now, in many states like Delaware, Nevada, Wyoming, some of the more privacy-oriented states, you may not have to make a filing showing the change of members because they don't even record who the members are. In other states like Florida, Texas, where they ask about your members, you may or may not have a duty to update in the interim. So you'll have to look at your state and what their process is. In a lot of states, even if they record who the members are, they don't record who the members are during an interim period. So you may have a period where you change the members, but you don't have to update your state filing until the next filing. So you want to talk to competent counsel in your jurisdiction about how that filing process works and whether you have a duty to update. By the way, this is one of them issues where you can layer in privacy protection to your company or your entity by potentially placing additional owners or entities in the middle. So if you would be organized in or doing business in a jurisdiction where the owners of the entity are disclosed, what you might wish to do is have the owners be somebody who is somewhat anonymous, i.e. a trust or an LLC that is not connected to a person's name or address that's in the LLC structure, so that a third party looking in from the outside would have a hard time tracing the ownership. That's more of an advanced topic, something we'll probably be coming on a future video. But what I want to hear from you is what you want to hear. So do drop some comments. Remember, YouTube comments are not confidential. But if you have questions or things you're thinking about, let me know. And we may do a general video addressing that for the masses. We can't address your specific situation here on the channel. We can't do an attorney-client relationship over the internet publicly. But what we could do is cover some important topics very generally. So if you have questions, do drop them below. Go check out our library of past videos. And make sure you subscribe to our channel because we have more videos about business and business law and getting your business up to the next level coming to you very soon. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Look forward to seeing you in the comments.